Hi everyone, I'm Asa Sidana. I'm a professional makeup artist from Delhi and also a very proud Sugar Bright Tribe member. Like they say, when you're in Rome, do like the Romans, and we are in Ambala. So, what do you expect from a Punjabi wedding? Madness, dhol, thumping, dancing, and all kind of excitement.
आज तो ऐसे फीलिंग आ रही है कि ऐसे लाइफ इज कम लाइक अ फुल सर्कल यू नो
I love every single bit of it. Hi Sita, how are you?
I am so excited. Thank you for coming.
Why don't you just run me through?
The look?
Yeah. So Ishita gave me a broad idea of the looks that she wants for every event. But she left the makeup part completely on me, which kind of builds a lot of trust and comfort between the artist and the client. And I think I had exactly the looks planned in my head, and I'm super excited to execute them. For the haldi, we did a very colorful, vibrant kind of a look. We have given some very versatile looks. We gave a very angelic look on the engagement. I think the wedding look that Ishita was given, it was more of a very beautiful amalgamation of the traditional Indian plus a fusion modern bride. So it was like a very nice modern lehenga with a touch of Indian tradition, with brown glittery eyes and subtle lips and dewy skin. I think I loved the wedding look. That was the finale look and I just loved it.
हुआ क्या था इन महाशय जी ने मुझे कहीं पर देखा एंड ही फाउंड मी ऑन फेसबुक he sent me a request.
No. This is no. This is not the story.
You sent me the
this
request.
is her cooked up story.
Meant to be. I feel it in my soul.
She was wearing a hat and that I found her very cute. तो मैंने उसको friend request भेजा and by chance coincidentally इसने accept भी कर लिया.
Broken made whole.
फिर हमारी बात होनी शुरू हुई.
फिर हमारी बहुत बात होनी शुरू हुई.
फिर हमारी
हम
बहुत
दिन
ज़्यादा
रात
बात होनी शुरू हुई.
World that tries to steal our hope. Tries to make us numb, but our love has overcome.
आज तो ऐसे फीलिंग आ रही है कि ऐसे लाइफ इज कम लाइक अ फुल सर्कल यू नो
So हम मिले थे Facebook पे and इतने सारे ups and downs and इतनी courtship के बाद.
आज वी आर गेटिंग मैरिड आल्सो ऑन सोशल मीडिया आई मीन लुक एट द
Irony.
The makeup part was tricky in this weather, but when you have the right skills and you have the perfect product, it just works out.
Being a sugar bride, I could actually look what exactly I wanted to look like. I feel like a dream sitting right here, marrying the best friend I've always had. Thank you so much, Sugar team.
I won't let you go. We were made for each other.
Oh my God! I remember जब कॉलेज में थी मैं. That's the time when Sugar got launched in India.
I remember that.
And he gifted me like this very tiny छोटू सा kit which had this sugar lipstick and a sugar kajal. I think I still have that kajal, खाली kajal pencil with me. This one is for you. Somebody come from Paris for me. Sugar Bright Tribe.
This is from Sugar and Quench Botanics. This
Oh,
is
wow.
a full Korean skincare routine for you. Oh my god, I did not expect this. This is just amazing. So the entire journey with Sugar and Ishita, the Sugar bride, has been just amazing. It was a mix of everything. All the emotions were flowing through it. And I think I thank Sugar for giving me this opportunity for this amazing, amazing journey. I just can't wait to work more and more with Sugar.